먹어도 되는. इनमें आगो आगो में
Please, everyone, unmute yourselves. We are going to
अरे यार
start.
बंद कर दो.
We are going to start in 2 to 3 minutes. Let others also join. Okay. So just make sure that everyone has muted themselves. If someone haven't joined, then let please ask them to join if your group member haven't joined yet. Okay. Otherwise, we are going to start. So first of all, full stack students, have you completed the assigned task at your end? That whatever task we have given to you, like landing page and community part. So who was creating the landing page? Who was creating the landing page, guys? Please response. Full stack team.
Yes.
Yes. So just share your screen and let us check that what you have created.
Wait, give me a minute. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Prajwal, it is visible.
Yeah, I have done the UI part, but my teammate had some laptop issues, so backend connection is not done.
Why backend connection is not done? Sorry.
My teammate had issues in his laptop, so he couldn't contribute to this.
Okay, who was your teammate?
Uh, Harshad, some I don't remember
Okay,
his name. Yeah.
Harshad. So Harshad, okay, okay. First of all, Pranjal, okay, it is good that you have created your part. But if something like this happen, then group is there. You can tell us that so that we can assign any other students with you for that part. Okay.
Okay.
So in case not only for him, but for others also, if any group mate or teammate is not responding, then let us know. Okay, so that we can assign any other member for that particular work. Like right now, he has completed his part, but as you know that backend is not completed, then there is no meaning of this. Okay, so accordingly, if anyone is not responding, then just contact with us. Okay, so we have to. So have he left the group, Harshad, or what?
No, sir, he's had some issues in his laptop, so
Okay. Okay, then we will assign someone for it. What about community page?
Front end is ready, sir.
Okay. And what about the backend part?
The backend part is completed,
Okay, okay.
but
So first,
testing is left.
okay. So first, Shivu, just show me the front end part, what you have created at your end.
Okay, sir. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, it is.
Yes, sir. Actually, the authentication part is left, sir. I completed the login with login and register page.
Okay.
On login successful, it is now by default. Currently, I have a profile page. I am navigating. Once the dashboard is ready, or the community or the feed, I will navigate to that page. And this is the community page with the left sidebar and the suggestion like popular communities on the right side, and
Okay.
posts on
So,
the middle, and the
uh,
carousels.
okay, okay. So, if I select a particular community, then it is showing the option to join that and other trending things which was there.
It's so static. Currently, the page is static, sir. When the backend, I get the API, so that at that time I can perform such operations.
Okay, okay. So that integration was also have to be done today. So from whose side there was a delay, like why you haven't integrated it?
Actually, Someone a few minutes before mentioned like testing is pending in the backend.
Okay, okay. Vishal was saying that.
Yes.
Okay, so yes, Vishal, now you just show me about the backend part and let me know that up to when you will complete the integration one.
Just wait, sir. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, yes, Vishal, it is.
So here's the all routes. First of all, we have created community schema. Here's the community schema. And next we have created community routes. All the community routes here. And then we have fetched it to the service.js. And now we can create the community if I let me see. But I have used my local Mongo DB. I will in future I will put it to the just for testing part purpose. So I put it local MongoDB. Let me show. But sir, testing part is also left.
Okay.
Here's I've created the example. Title was nothing like this. I've created. If I open my post view,
Okay.
here's the I've created post. First of all, body has okay script. Thing I've created community. Let's say if I start my MongoDB instance, so now successfully server has started. And let's click this. So now, sir, it is working.
Okay. So up to when you are going to integrate that with the front end part?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Up to when you are going to just integrate this backend to that front end part, which
Sir,
should.
tonight I will. Tonight I will
Oh,
integrate.
okay.
Because
Now
sir,
over.
I because testing part has left, so we haven't merged it yet. Cause of any error will cause in future. So
Okay. Now over to you, Vaishnavi ma'am. Just check with it and whatever the other work you have assigned them before that for integration, just check with that also.
Okay, sir. So yes, guys, I've seen your this part which was given yesterday. It is done properly. Just now the integration is left of the community page and also of I guess landing page, right? Hello, guys, my voice is not coming.
Guys, please respond.
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Now community page integration and landing page integration is left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday pages integration is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
MS post
so
section is completed
okay,
and comments modules are also completed.
okay. So guys, today's task is firstly you all have to complete all these pages and integrate all together. Okay, you
Hello,
all.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Sorry for interruption.
Yes.
Can we show the front end,
Which printed?
the website only? Isha is going to share that screen, so and I'm going to explain it. Okay.
Okay, Vivek, you can do that.
So Isha, you can share your screen. Okay. So this is the landing page she created with all the posts over here in the landing page with upwards, downwards, comment, share, and save functionality.
Okay.
Okay, and on the right side, we have the popular communities, and there is a join button too. We can join the community directly from here.
Okay.
Okay, so if we are going to explore communities, here we can explore all the communities below, and also we can join the community if we want from here. So they are all the communities, and we can search the communities from this filter out the communities. Yeah, technology, gaming, or whatever. So this filter out functionality is also working from the front end. And these are the popular new or alphabetic things. Okay. And we can also change the grid layout and the box layout. Oh, sorry, list layout. So this is the grid one and this is the list one. Okay. And we can also search the communities like travel. She is searching. So when we are typing, so at the time of typing only the communities will start to be searching. So this is a fast searching, and we can create the communities. Okay, so this is a model for creating the community. We can have the community name, display name, description, category, images, and the banner of community. Then whatever you need to like private community or allow images or allow videos. So all the functionality is there. And yeah, we can create the post from here and choose the community in whatever community we need to create the post. And we have the text functionality, and if user want to add the image, then image tab, and then the link tab for sharing any kind of link. And this is for the post section. And then we have the login. Okay, so we have the profile section. Here, the complete overview of the user profile will be shown here with the links. The user will, whatever the user is checking the other user profile, so he can get his social links over here with common contact information. And we can see the total number of posts he has created, the total number of comment he have given in any kind of post. Okay, and the settings. In the settings, the user can edit his or her profile. Okay, so yeah, can change the password from here too. Okay. And coming to the two pages for login and sign up. So this is the login page, and with forgot password too. Yeah. And again, back to sign in, we have the sign up page where the main details, full name, email, phone number with gender details and the password. Only these fields are required. So these are the basic user information to be filled from the front end. So the front end part for almost thing is done except the comment part, notification, search functionality for the main search functionality, and many other things are left for now. But you can say that at a kind of overview section, mostly things are created for like post, community, the public page, the login and sign up page, and then the create post and the create community page. And then the deeper details for front end is left, and the integration part is also left for it.
Okay, Vivek, great work. This is good that now we can see it at once. Okay, just one thing that for you, for full stack team, I am thinking that for today, we will assign you this task that you have to integrate each and everything now. Okay, because if we just don't integrate anything and just create front end and back end separately, that then at end it will be difficult for us to integrate all these things simultaneously. So your today's task is basically you have to just integrate all the functionalities whatever you have created. It should work accordingly as per the backend also work for it. Okay, like UI is already prepared at your end. Just make sure that everyone are going is going to integrate backend part also, and discuss with each other also. Okay, there are different groups like front end and back end are groups over there. Both of groups just discuss with each other and accordingly perform this task and complete it with up to tomorrow. Okay, so in tomorrow on tomorrow we are going to check that all the integration part have been working properly or not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
please complete it at your end and complete the functionality which you have created all the pages. Just integrate all the pages, connect it with backend also, and then we will start for the next page. Okay, first complete this part and push complete code inside in the GitHub repo. Okay, do this part today. That's
So
your task. This is for
um,
full stack team.
mhm.
Today you all have to work together. Okay.
Okay.
And
So
one last question from you, Vivek, that
yes.
the comment part over there, are they threaded comments? Like any user can reply over those comments?
I think no for now.
Okay. Then that comment part must be like that. Okay, so do the integration part today. So I will
Yes.
assign those task to you tomorrow. Okay, today the main task is basically for the integration. I want each and every UI integration properly with the backend. Okay, this is the task for today, and I hope that you are going to complete that within time. You are the project captain and
Yes.
you have all the rights to just assign the works to the students or to the developers over there, and accordingly you have to complete that within time. Okay.
Okay. Sir, to just let you know that the front end is created by Isha, and
Okay.
I want to know, sir, that we can go with this UI now, what we have shown just now.
uh
Yes, you can.
yes, we can
Okay.
go with that.
Okay, sir. Okay. So we will connect this front end and back end functionality by today itself.
Okay.
And sir, one more thing that if you can guide the front end team to kindly join the session if I am giving any session for unofficial meet. So
Okay, sure.
from 2 days I have taking the meeting, but only the backend guys are coming and they are completing the task as well.
For front end, no
But
response from them, sir.
Okay.
I
So
have
who are
checked
there in
the
front end? Let me just check with the students list. So if front end students have joined in the session, guys, whatever meetings are there in the session, you have to join them. Okay. If there is any work at your end, then you can just reply them that right now you are not available because of any task or any other work. Otherwise, you have to join it. Okay. And otherwise, just give me the names of those students who are not joining on regular basis. I will check with them. Okay.
Uh,
Okay, so
see,
s-
developers, you are working in a team, so if anyone is setting any meeting or any discussion, so please everyone talk to them, okay? That note ki you are not joining that meeting or it is unofficially, they are just discussing, and that is the only way that you all can connect to each other. The meetings are only the way, so please cooperate with your captains and other members also, okay? Yes, Vivek.
ma'am, I am saying that what I am saying. Okay. Yeah, I'm saying that once Shar has merged my whatever repo is there, so once has merged my repo in the main repo. So I will request all the full stack team, whoever is here, so they just pull the latest pull of the main repo from the main branch only, so that they can have the follow-up folder structure for backend as well as for the front end. So they can create like in the front end also I have created the pages, and under the pages like public pages, higher pages, or whatever pages are there. So complete folder structuring is there. So no need to go here and there like destructuring the pages, and like you can say like a unstructured folder structure should not be there. So I have created a completely structured folder structure. So every full stack, like mostly the front end team must follow that structure in order to have the structuring. So this will just make the things easier for them only. I am the backend guy, so I have done the backend stuff. I'm just telling the front end guys. Should I
Okay,
show the folder structure here so they can get a overview?
yes, you can show it.
Okay. Okay. So what is that? Under the SRC folder, you have the main thing pages. Under the pages, you have this error pages, auth pages, and public pages. In the error pages, you have this like only three pages are there: forbidden, not found, and service error, server error. And then the auth pages: forgot password, login password, register, and request OTP and verify OTP. And any other page if you like that is related to authentication stuff, so you can add that page over here. Then we have the public pages. With this public pages, you have the all the pages that any of the user can access here, like terms and condition, about lending, about page, contact page, and all the public pages are there. Okay. And then for the API section that you are going to make an Axios thing. So just go to this Axios instance here. You can write the code for refresh token as well, that in particular time the token will be refreshed. So automatically the request should go to refresh the refresh token. Okay, so this Axios instance is for that. And if I show any of the particular API, auth, I think. Okay, so here is the like a basic code structuring how you can write the API code. Like if any of the guy has worked with Redux, so he knows that, or with the Axios also, so he know that what is this code is for. So you can just get this variable function. So you can use this variable function in the Redux Thunk toolkit. Okay, so this will be helpful in the Redux Thunk if you are creating that. So you can just create any variable function over here and just call the endpoint auth and register. And this Axios instance, what this Axios instance will do, it will get your URL like the base URL, like http localhost slash 3000 slash API slash v1 slash user, and then the slash auth and register will be added over here. Okay, so this Axios instance file is for the base URL, and after that this is the added URL. Okay, so you can just create all the API related here. I have created most of the API. I think this API are only needed: auth, comment, community, notification, post, and the user. If any other you can create. Okay, And coming out to the API, you will have this layout section. So any of the guy working for the, like we have the header, okay, and we have the footer. So header and footer have to be sticky in each and every page. So main layout is for that. You can just go header, then below it children, and below that your navbar. And auth layout is just specifically for the sign in, sign up, and forgot and OTP password kind of pages. Okay. And after that, we have the context. This one is theme context, and this one is auth context. Theme context, you can go with light and dark mode theme, and same for the auth context. And then we have the pages, and this is the Redux toolkit over here. You can create the store over here, and slices are like files are created: admin, community, post, user, and notification slice you have to create, and comment slice also you have to create. So I have created those files. And after that, in the components, you all are well familiar with the components, so you can add your components. In the common, I have put it the models, loader, and the button. Like Isha has used this model from here only, I think. And like assets, their layouts. Ah, I think that is it. So you can just follow this. Yeah, one more thing for the routes. If you like, so keep this route function. If you don't like, so you can delete this. What is this? Like protected route, you can just transfer this protected route to the components folder also. And this app route, what it will do, like in the app.jsx file, you are calling all the pages, all the components, na, like import stuff component from particular location. So you are calling all those things there. So you can just replace all those things in this app.route.jsx. So it will make your app.jsx very clean, and you can just create all of the routes over here only. So you can just see the routes function, routes calling over a particular file in the auth routes. Okay. So this is the folder structure you can just go with. And if you need any kind of font things, so you, I think in the public, uh, I think that is not added here. So you can just go with the assets and can create all of your images, fonts, or whatever you like. Right? So this is the front end stuff. And for the backend, I have already told in the unofficial meet, so they already know very well. So this is the structure. If you can just follow up this structure, so this will be very good for everyone, because this will be a centralized structure for everyone. Okay, this is it, sir, ma'am.
Okay, Vivek, great work. Okay, so I hope that full stack team has gone through about the structure which he has shown just now, so that everything will be in a proper format. So accordingly, follow that. And for today's task for full tech team is just to integrate in the each and everything whatever up to now they have created. Okay, so front end team, you also have to contact with the back end team and vice versa. Okay, accordingly, just prepare a full portion up to now and then connect that with the backend so that it will work properly, and that will be checked in the yesterday session. So I hope that you are going to do that. And if there will be anyone who is not going to respond, or if you have assigned some task to them and they are not responding, then just let us know. Not in meeting, tell us that they have left or some any other reason. Okay, because the group is there for only for discussion. If someone is not participating actively, then let us know about that. We will handle that accordingly. I hope that it will be understandable by all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you know the task that it is for simply integration part. Up to whatever is completed up to now, you have to integrate that. So that's it for full stack students. Now Abipsha ma'am, over to you.
Yeah, sure. So, AIML group, you're here. Can you just let me know how much task has been completed and what is left?
Yes, ma'am. The spam classifier model has been built, and all of us are working on the mm, fine tuning of distill bird. Like I worked on using the spam classifier data, and I got an
Okay.
accuracy of around 96%, and that
Okay.
will display the spam probability, like the value of the spam probability of
Mm-hmm.
the comment or the text that is inputted. And
Okay. Okay,
Dhanush
Fida, got it.
also tried a
So,
model
mhm.
on some
Okay.
other data set. So he said it's
Mhm.
crashed. The model is
I
crashed.
understand.
And
Right, right.
Sachender
It
also
happens.
had tried using other data set, the misinformation and spam classifying data set. And
Okay.
this epochs are still running, ma'am, from 1 hour. So if you want, he will show you the epochs. The accuracy is quite good, around like 96, I guess, in the first epoch.
Okay.
2 epochs are remaining.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay, fine.
according to
So
the
how many epochs you have actually taken it?
3 epochs totally, Suchendra has taken now.
Okay, okay,
And the
fine, got it.
data set is
So,
huge, around 150,000 rows are there.
okay, fine. So got it. So as of now, your spam detection is done totally, but the toxicity part is not done.
Yeah, ma'am. Toxicity score model also has been built, but not using the BERT. We've used
Okay,
TF-IDF
but
plus ridge
you
regression.
Okay, fine. But for that also you need to fine tune it, right? So you need to just fine tune it for the distal bird or bird because when toxicity, how we why one will be understanding is the message toxic or not just by understanding the text that has been posted, right? So the post that people will put in from that post only one will understand if the post is toxic or not toxic, right? So for
Yes,
that
ma'am.
you need to fine tune it, right, with a bird or distal bird. So that is happening, right?
Yes, ma'am. They are still working on it.
Okay, fine, got it. So for that, the like it is done almost, but the evaluation part you are still on it, right?
Yeah, ma'am. That is what.
Okay.
And about
Uh,
the model servers like Fast API, I'm still working on it now. I encountered a little
okay,
bit
fine.
of issue. Hopefully, I'll tackle that soon
Okay.
and will give you the API.
Okay, fine. So for both the models, if they are performing well, for both the models, you need to prepare the proper API, like the serving part, you need to prepare it accordingly.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, so make sure that you do it by tomorrow because tomorrow I'll just check it once accordingly and then we'll just push in the code for the further integration.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, so apart from that, any other query you are having like related to anything
Ma'am, about the GitHub, I had a question.
about the GitHub? Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Like,
yeah, then.
I couldn't clone the repository using terminal, so I tried, but I had some error encountered there.
Okay, fine. You can just take a separate branch, like don't push in the code in the main branch, create a separate branch out and then push in the code. Will that be possible?
I was not able to do that as well, ma'am. Like, only the main branch was visible. I had no option to create a new branch.
Okay. Uh, okay, then I just need to check in through. I haven't checked it as in that form, so I'll just check in over there once. Okay, so I'll just check in and I'll just update you on that part. Fine.
All right, ma'am.
Okay, by the time you complete the assigned task that has been given to you, fine. So,
Okay.
since you are the captain, you just assign each of the tasks to everyone and just keep me posted about the task that you are been assigning and who all are performing in on that.
Yes, ma'am. We'll do that.
Sure, sure. Okay. Okay, Pratap. So I'm done for the AIML part. I just need to confirm some of the details to the project captains basically. So for full stack project captain and the AIML project captain, hope both of you are here. So I just need to put in some of the details that you need to maintain every day because since we are assigning a specific task to you people and you are then subdividing that task to based on the developers, right? So who are working on what, you better know it, right? So it would be better that every day after the session gets over, you give us a detailed report of what task which developer is performing and to whom, like which task you have assigned to them and how much the task has been completed on that specific day. Hope I have made myself clear. You have any doubt, you can definitely ask me. So I am asking for a detailed report every day after the session where you will be mentioning, like it is a task of the group captains only. So who will be where the in the report it will be mentioned which developer is working on which task, what task has been assigned by you to them, and up to how much the task has been completed. Is it okay, guys? The captains, group captains,
Yes, ma'am.
and the full stack group captain. Vivek, you are the captain, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, for full stack or the front end, you are the captain, or the back end, you are the captain. Like for full stack, you are the captain, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay, Vivek. So maintain it accordingly, and after every day, this after the session, like now, every day we have the session at 8. After
Mm.
that, you prepare it or keep it prepared and accordingly share it in the group.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Vishal, sorry for the interruption, ma'am.
Sure, sure, you can
Yeah.
take it.
So Vishal and Vivek, you both have this responsibility. Okay. So Vivek also, Vishal, you also have to support him. We have opted you two for this work. Okay. And one more thing for full stack students, like Vivek, you what UI you have showed to me, I have finalized that, but sorry for that. Actually, all the other students have also worked on their part. Okay, so I can't finalize only one student's UI. So basically, what will happen that today you are going to connect with the front end team. I will drop a message in them. So they are going. Just a second. Yes, so I was saying that you have to connect with the backend team or front end team, okay, and just make sure that what they have created at their end, because Prashant, I guess, is present here. He have also created or done the part of his. So if Prashant is there, Prashant, can you share your screen and let us know that what you have created?
Sure, sir. Is my screen is visible, sir? Excellent, sir. Am I audible, sir? Is my
Yes,
audio is
yes, you are
audible?
audible.
Okay, sir. Wait, let me share my screen first. Mm, mm, mm. My screen is visible?
Yes, it's load. Yeah, now it is visible, Prashant.
Yes. Wait, sir. Let me. Wait, sir. I've started. Okay, okay. So, sir, this is my landing page. Okay. So it's not required first logging or sign up. User can able to interact with our website directly without any logging or any sign up because our first aim is to interact users. So when user will find out what content or it is relevant to me or not, then first they will look to this. But they are not able to join anything. It will required for sign up or logging. But you can here only see the content or like that you are can even you are not able to upvote or downvote, then you need to required, then you have to go for sign up, then you have to put your name with Prashant, randomly username 12, email XYZ. Okay, and date of birth, right? Password. Okay, and I have for the avatar part, I have used Gemini API. So actually, I can upload it and also ask from AI to generate it. Then I have to just create account. After creating account, I can just upvote it or downvote whatever. Then there are some these sections. This will linked by with the backend team, and these are about global being advertised. We can also ask like if I want to advertise here, so I have to just send a request. You can create post whatever you want. We have to just select the community. Also join
Prashant, is it having the Google login option?
what, ma'am?
Google login option. You can log in with the help of Google account. That option is available.
No, ma'am. If it is required, then I will add it.
Okay.
Okay.
Go through email login. Okay.
Then my profile section, analytics, and mm, my profile, and the dark mode and light mode, and I have actually added a spam message like if anyone will do. This is the part like how. So it will give us like a free Bitcoin. It is a spam, so it will AI confidence 98%. This is a spam, and we also can just report it by remove post, ban user, pin post, and this is the completely UI. You can just use and post here, and this is new, and this is stop and share. Like, is there anything required, ma'am? Like we can just do notification section.
Okay, first of all, Prashant,
Just
there
a
is a
minute.
vacant space as left and right margin. So have you done it zoom in out or some, is it so?
And
Uh,
one more thing, I think we should have some option of light and dark mode because I guess the previous UI that he was showing it was good. Yes, that is great. And the problem I guess was with the orange color because that doesn't look professional. I guess bluish is fine. I guess
okay.
because your lighter mode is a little bit simpler. Do something with you must be having some tailwind classes that gives us gradient effect. Try those classes that will give you a better UI.
Okay.
And yes, one sir was right. The spaces that you have is not looking very nice right now. Remove the padding, I guess. So
Wait. Open this link on your Android. Wait, let me check. Is this system issue or like I'm having issue with the tailwind processor?
Okay, just a second, we are checking.
Prashant is showing
Yes,
failed data loss. Yes, like this type of
yes,
message
ma'am.
is
Yes,
coming.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I will fix it out. Okay,
Okay, okay,
I will fix it. Okay, I will share it again. Okay.
okay.
Okay, see what you have to do, guys, that whole front end team has to now work on proper part up to which you have done it. Like there will be a particular landing page, then sign up, sign in option page there, community page, community joining page. Okay, so I want that all the front end members and back end members now will work on a group, and up to this whatever we have covered, you have to integrate that. Tomorrow I want the proper working structure up to that. Okay, so accordingly work on that. Vivek, just do one thing that
Yes, sir.
yeah, so Vivek, just make sure that everyone will work synchronously. Okay, and also just make sure that the proper integrated part will be completed before tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please, full stack team, completely connect to each other, everyone, for complete full front end and back end. Whatever work you have done, please connect to each other and show each other that you have done this work, and finalize the complete working page, and that must be integrated together. Okay. Now you all have to connect to each other.
Sir,
Is it? Yes.
ma'am, I'm saying that since Isha has made most of the part, and I have been asking, like personally also I have messaged each and every 22 member, I guess, for the full stack team, but only four, I guess, so 4 or 5 members have been joined yesterday in the unofficial meet, and today no any front end guy has been joined. So that is why I finalized the Isha's UI, because nobody was showing me any kind of UI. So now, like this is the only problem we are getting, that front end guy are going with the complete static data, don't know about even backend. Only I guess Shivu and one more guy was there, or maybe a girl was there. So
I
they
guess
only know about the
Bhumika.
backend structuring.
So,
Yeah.
so what's the problem with the front end team? Why you are not connecting to them? Front end team, what is the issue with you all?
Like
If you have
some
any
of the
issue, then please tell here what's the problem is there, why you're not connecting. Because yesterday we have assigned that Vivek and Vishal is going to handle the going to integrate and work together. So you have to contact with them. Front end team, please reply. What's the issue?
How many
all
students have joined from the front end team? Can they just raise their hands?
Okay, Prashant and
Oh,
Shiv. Okay. Acha.
Raj.
Front end team,
Okay,
please raise your hand.
okay, guys, then just please accordingly connect with backend team. Like now Vivek is the project captain, so you have to be in touch with him and report him everything that whatever you are creating. Okay, so if he is taking any session or taking any an official meeting, then you have to be a part of that. If there is any important work, then you can just let him know that right now you are not available, or at this time you will be available. Similar thing for Vishal. Okay, so if they are asking something from you, then please respond within time. Okay,
If
and
you have any time issue, then you can give your time, because yesterday meeting, I guess of it was in afternoon. Then you all was saying that you are in college, but today's meeting has kept at 7. Then also you are not able to join. Today all the front end and back end, please connect to Vivek and work accordingly. Because if you are not going to connect with each other, then the work which you are doing, that will go waste. Because the people who will get connected to each other, that only will get finalized. So please try to interact with each other and work as a team. Okay?
ma'am, one more thing.
Yes.
Like the only connection part is left. So as I think Avipasha ma'am is saying, like the blue background or whatever is that, so that will look more officially. So with the UI, we just need to change the blue colors, and rest everything will be same, I guess. So from the after work with the Isha's UI, all the front end guy can connect and do the work after whatever we have made till now. Because each and every, like Prashant has a good UI, I guess, and after that Prashant, everyone has separate UI if they have even created. So each and every guy will have may have separate UI, so that will conflict our most. So with Prashant, Isha, and some of Shivu Kumar, I will just talk to them and final a complete merged UI. Okay.
Yes, yes, sure.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Shivu and Prashant was there and also
Yes, sir.
ask about the Bhumika part because she is facing some
Okay,
network
okay.
issues. So that's why she is not here in the meeting. She has texted me. So also confirm with her that what she have created and then finally decide at your end that whatever UI is finalized, it will be from your end. Okay. Just we want just the integrated part tomorrow. Okay. So it's up to
Now
you that
it's
how you are going to do that.
yes. Not
Yes,
up
sir.
to you. Now you have to finalize and all of your coordination. Then you have to finalize that UI because I can see the UI is almost same. Little bit changes are there. So try to solve that issue and finalize one UI. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vivek. Yes. Is it okay with you, Prashant?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now please connect to each other. And
Okay,
now
ma'am.
if team is not connecting each other, then it's not good. Okay. You all have to talk to each other. Okay, Manisha, you can continue.
Yes, so that's it for full stack team. Just I want the whole working proper integrated part from your end tomorrow. Okay, so Vivek and Vishal work accordingly and provide us the integrated part in tomorrow session. So this is for the full stack team. Now, Abipsha ma'am, is there anything you want to say?
Yeah, about the AIML, I just want you people to do whatever the task that has been remaining related to the spam and toxicity detector because we are left with the recommendation engine part also because after integrating it with them with the front end and back end section like the full stack part, then we will be moving into the recommendations. So for today just work on whatever be left from your side in that section and also work on the serving section that is the API that you need to create on. So work on that accordingly for both the models. Okay. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is what I need to confirm. Okay, I'm done from my end. So, guys, the captains need to share the proper report. As I have already mentioned. So, from tomorrow, hopefully, you'll be doing it accordingly, and we will be getting a proper report after this session.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, from the full stack team, the report has been received to me.
Okay, fine. Today, you have received the report about the who have assigned what task that report, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you, ma'am. Then you can just forward it in the group. That would be great. Okay, so
So
from
hello everyone.
AIML,
Yeah, sorry, Vipsa. Just I want to convey something. Good
okay,
evening, everyone. So, guys, you all are here because you all are the best mind which we have taken across India, and you have selected because you have cleared our internship. Okay, so we don't want that anyone will be eliminated from this. So whatever work has been assigned by your project manager, your project lead, please try to focus on your task and complete it on the time. Otherwise, it will impact your assessment at the end. Okay. So, and anyone who is continuously not performing good or not responding, uh, then we don't have another, you know, that student need to be eliminated. Okay, so I don't want anyone to get eliminated. So that is the reason I'm saying please be concentrate, and whenever you get a time, there is no time we are giving you a flexibility of time. Whenever you get a time, just complete the task. Uh, so you all are getting the freedom of the time. So please, even in the weekends also, if you are getting time, so work on it. So it will, you can, write these things that you have, you are the part of this project. And when you write these things to your resume, it will certainly going to impact you when in the interview, when in any big organization, if they ask you. So when they say see that you have a part of such project, so obviously it will going to impact a lot. So I just want you to participate here properly and give time. In case any emergency, just inform your project manager, project lead, or project captain. They will understand. They will properly communicate to us. There should not be any communication gap. So this is the first time I'm hearing from our project manager that few students are not properly taking participate. So don't do like this. If in case you have any issue or something, just inform us. We will give you all the freedom. Okay, so it is not like that in case of emergency you have to do work. There's nothing like that, but you have to properly communicate with us. Otherwise we thought that you are not properly working. So don't do like this. And just contribute here. So it will going to benefit you only. And it is an ongoing project and a long term project. So you will get a chance to work here on multiple projects. So it will improve your uh, technical your tech and technicalities will be improved here. Okay, so please concentrate, and whatever has been communicated by your team, follow it. In case any issue or don't create a communication gap, properly inform us. We will certainly going to support you on that. Okay, over to you, Abhishek. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So hopefully we are done with all of the things for today. Assigning the task and everything has been done. So guys, just perform accordingly. And AIML captain, kindly share me the today's report. Fine. After the session, kindly share me the report for AIML. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
I guess we are good to wrap up the session for today. So thank you everyone for joining. And again, tomorrow we'll have the proper session. This session, as we are conducting the session every day. So tomorrow also we will be having the session. So thanks for joining. We can just wrap up the session for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I just need to have like as I have a doubt related to this section. Just I want to have a clear cut like have a discussion with you related to it. Since you if you can if I can just share my screen just a moment. Let me just share my screen once.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for the AIML section, so I am just asking about the integration part. So if they are creating this in this form, like if the serving part is done, so like this will be done and the code will be pushed into the with a separate folder name. Then the integration we are we are planning to do it by tomorrow. Like tomorrow we will be actually assigning it. So, like, will that be like how it will be actually working for them? Because I am more into this AIML stuff. So we have like deployed the project either using Streamlit or Java. Streamlit or using the Django or Fast API by that, but not confirm how to integrate with the other sections. So that's why I'm just asking you because it would be easier for me also to understand.
Actually, ma'am, this is the same problem with us. Like we all have also integrating about different tech stack in full stack domain. We haven't also just add anything from AI/ML portion in that. So there is also
Mhm.
something which we don't know that how to add the AI/ML models to the existing project. So I think that we have to
Ma'am,
just
I think that there is something in ML models that you have got APIs for. Like whenever you deploy your
Yes,
project,
yes.
do you have your APIs for
Yeah.
the those models?
Yes, yes. We can create the APIs in the serving sections. We can create, we are working on that only because that part is because in AI models is just about the accuracy. If we are not getting proper accuracy, there is no need of putting it into any of the form, right? So we are still struggling with this part of getting maximum accuracy. As of now, for one model, we have received around 96% of accuracy, and another is still working on because you understand we are feeding the model with huge number of data. So as you know about going for the epochs, it takes time. It is time consuming. So that is the
yes,
exact
yes.
thing.
Yes,
So that is the main thing.
I have built only one model like, for at my end. So
Yeah, please
whatever
continue.
I know about AIML is that whenever you deploy, we get a simple local host kind of API, right?
Right, right, right.
So I guess if we are integrating a full stack with ML model, so we can give that particular API where you will deploy your model. So whenever the person will click on any button, like for example a chat bot, for example, and if it is clicking
Okay.
on that, if the user has clicked on that button, so he will be redirected to that particular API where your model is existing. So the only simpler way I could think of integrating ML with full stack is this only. That is what I understood right now. Otherwise, even I haven't worked with fast API, but only the model that I created was just deployed
Mhm.
something Llama model that I remember.
Okay. Actually, if we are deploying it with Streamlit, then actually what we are doing, we are preparing a app actually, basically a web page we are preparing. Suppose, like how to give you an example. Suppose I need to predict something, right? So we are actually using like ngrok and using this Streamlit to take it on in a
Right, right.
landing platform where we are having this web page on, and this is running in the background when we are like suppose user is putting any of the updates on any of the details on, and pressing any of the like prediction key, the model is taking that data as input and giving us a proper output, like the predicted output the model is giving. So this is the way we are actually like know about the deployment section. And then I am little bit confused about this integration part, so that's why I thought of to having a discussion with you.
Whatever I know is that it will be difficult if you are deploying your projects in Streamlit because then I guess
Yeah,
full
yeah,
stack
of
is
course.
difficult.
Of course, yeah, we are not doing it here for this project. We are not doing it. We are actually trying to create a proper API out of it, so that
Yes.
like that can be easily taken into by you. You can take it over.
If you will give us API, then that will be the easiest way to integrate ML with full stack because then we will just we will just inform that API that you will give to us, and the user will be redirected to the model page that you will create.
Right.
So okay, we will have to
Okay.
just
Yeah.
study.
That's what we are also planning in.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so that's the reason we are also trying it over that because we are also not like accustomed like creating APIs when that we actually like do it with any of the forms like Streamlit, or we use any of the other form to work on. But working with this like the API we have created, but not in a form that we can integrate it. So let's just see how things work. But as of now, like we are like
Ma'am,
since
I
the
guess
data set is huge,
they
yeah,
can use bootstrap
please.
templates to the like web page, simple web page.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Can you come again? There was some noise and also your voice was breaking. Really sorry for that. Can you come again, please?
No problem. I was saying that we have this bootstrap kind of thing in our full stack
Yeah,
where we get
yeah,
templates.
yeah.
So if that
Okay,
is possible at AIML end, that they can create a simple UI for those models. And then whatever
I
API
can't get you. I'm really sorry.
is my voice not clear?
No, I
Hello.
guess it is breaking for me. Can others can confirm if
Actually,
voice is
from
breaking
both
or
of
it
your
is for
end, the
me?
voice is breaking.
Okay.
Yes.
Am I audible now?
Um,
Still, your voice
Not
is
really.
breaking.
Okay,
Will it
just
be
a minute.
fine if I can connect you over WhatsApp if needed, if you are
Yes,
unable
yes,
to hear me?
ma'am. Yes.
Okay, fine. Then I'll just
Yes.
connect you over WhatsApp on this.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So this is the part I just need to confirm, and I just want to ask you about the GitHub, like how they are supposed to share the code in for the AIML section.
Basically, ma'am, for the full stack, we just clone the repository in the VS Code, and there just some of the GitHub commands I use. Then the branch is also created, and we can push the code over there. So, are you all
Okay.
AIML is also working on a VS Code?
No, no, no. We are working on Google Colab.
Okay, from there you have to push the code in a GitHub.
Yes,
Okay, so that I have to check. I will connect you in a WhatsApp. Then I will tell you that how to do it. Okay.
fine. That's okay.
Okay,
Okay,
so
fine.
yeah, I guess that uh, it will be feasible if we work accordingly, and let's search something about at our end that how we can do that. And Anshika and Vaishnavi are going to connect with you accordingly. So discuss with them, and I will also try to find a way for that. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Even I am also searching it. By today only I got this thing up. So I was searching it up and thought of just asking you people because integrating would be like a issue as of now because I haven't done it yet as of now from my end. So I thought might be you people have done it. So thought of it would be better to ask you before searching it from other. So that's the case actually. Fine. Hopefully we'll make it a way up there.
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay. Okay. Thanks you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
So we can just end up this call here.
Yes, sure. Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.